Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel? Look Out Racing. Look Out Racing. Yeah. Look Out Racing. Make sure you delay through Theo. All in the booster. Yeah, they've been teaching me how to get all my words out.
That's what I said. I don't know what the hell you just said.
They told me it's supposed to be like it. Yeah, we live. Y'all want to put y'all shout out in? Oh, she don't want y'all to know all in her Instagram box and stuff. They got enough followers already. And they've been bothering them all week. They've been trying to tell them to get out their box. They've been trying to. This y'all first time up here? Oh, y'all having a good time so far? Already, they having a good time, y'all. This their first time, and they having a good time. Yeah, the TikTok ended. I was trying to make them come over here to my YouTube. Somebody that named their channel Gerald. Yeah, somebody got a channel named Gerald now. Yeah. They on her. Gerald them, you on her? I got 2 Gerald them.
Nah, I guess I am. I hope nobody ain't done that.
Yeah, they got a name. Somebody on her named Gerald them.
Wow.
Yeah, they got your name, man.
That's okay, I'm been dangerous.
Well, that's okay. I'm OG Racing. Tony Matlock. Look out, Tony Matlock. Okay, he ain't doing no spickle, no spinning. He must have. Yeah, this side right here got that sticky pickle down, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all hitting that button. That white truck that jumped out there. Yeah, that white truck that jumped out there. Oh yeah, see that? It's charging back up. Is it? It's on 17% now. Damn, it might not be charging up. It's a weak ass charger. It ain't sending that juice quick enough. I need to send that juice. I need that extra juice, man, on my.
Where the money at, bro?
Which
you
money?
Want that shit or what?
Man, they call bet off, man. They call bet off. I thought I had something soft. They call bet off.
I took off good.
I told you cut a good ass light. That almost was a. Did you see the slip? Man, you cut a bad ass light on his ass.
I think it was this one.
Oh yeah, see? That 250. Yeah. Yeah, they called bet off, man. I was trying to get some more money. Let me see what. Oh shit, he in reverse, y'all.
Hey,
Go ahead. Yeah. Look, YouTube, Look Out Racing. Look Out. Oh, damn, I put the top one. Damn, my bad. As soon as you hit Look Out, I'm the next one here. Look Out Racing, yeah, damn. about 500 people in there live. You want to put your shout out in, let them know your Instagram or something?
Hit on my Instagram and strip for Kill.
Yeah, he can put it out there for you. Oh, Funky Town trying to teach him how to do the burnout. Damn. Ooh, he got a Z06 too.
It's on off.
They said it's off.
Hey, bag up.
I think it done cut off. Yeah, back up. He ain't got no water on there. Yeah. See if it'll burn out in that water.
Okay, spin out a little bit. Okay, spin out.
Okay. They still trying to act like it's engaged.
Now I'm trying to see if we can do it.
Yeah, did he hold the track? Yeah, did you hold it? Did you hold it for like 10 seconds? Okay, and it's still doing that? Damn.
Come on, you got traction off?
Yeah, he said the traction off.
You don't know how to work that?
Nuh-uh.
I'll show you how to work that motherfucker.
Huh? What you think, Funky Town? What's going on?
He got the traction.
Something ain't right. Yeah, tell him go over there a little bit. Yeah, you gotta go back some more. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, this is his first time, y'all. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Is he gonna really? Oh. Damn. Dang. I don't know what he got going on in there. Ooh-wee. Look out, y'all. We live on my YouTube channel. Look out racing. Say, that's crazy, man.